What if you could create a perfect digital copy of a machine, a factory, or even an entire city, and predict the future before it happens? Testing changes in the real world is expensive, slow, and risky. One wrong move can cost millions or worse.
A digital twin is a virtual model of a real-world system,
Constantly updated with real-time data. It mirrors reality, allowing you to simulate, test, and predict outcomes safely. Sensors collect data from physical systems and feed it into a digital model. That model updates continuously, reflecting performance, stress, and changes in real time. Industries are already using digital twins to monitor jet engines, optimize factories, predict equipment failures, and even manage entire smart cities. Digital twins allow companies to fix problems before they happen, reduce downtime, and make smarter decisions with less risk. In the future, entire systems, from infrastructure to ecosystems, could be simulated in real time, giving us unprecedented control over the world we build.
If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel by clicking on the icon.
Please drop us a comment, we would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.